TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. Welcome back to another work from home job lead video. Real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you are subscribed and have those notifications turned on. And as always, the links to everything will be in the YouTube description box below. So if you're interested in anything that I share, you can go get those applications in. But today's video, I am sharing 3 different companies and 3 different positions that are all hiring worldwide. So this is not only within the United States, but also in people who live outside of the United States. First up, we have a customer support specialist role. Now, this is non-phone tickets and moderation customer support. So the company Amplifier is hiring a solutions-driven customer support specialist. This is full-time remote work from home, and even though they are hiring worldwide, they do say they want people to be able to work certain hours, sometimes between PT GMT -8 and Central Standard Time GMT +8 time zones. So if you're not within those time zones, you need to convert your time zone to that to see if those hours will work for you. But they are looking for someone to help their clients and customers solve issues and questions regarding the powerful tools that they supply them. So you'll be responsible for the management of open customer support tickets with the help desk software. So that is written tickets, no phone involved. You'll also be responsible for moderation of their private online communities, encouraging quality discussion between the users and making sure any issues that come up in those discussions are handled appropriately. You'll help with webinars and training, and you'll be the bridge between the users and the development product team. And you'll make sure the customers can find any trainings that they need to use the tools properly. It does say they're going to provide you with all the tools you need to properly do the job, also including proven and tested scripts, processes, and training for all the tasks that you will be doing. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. They want someone who is a process driven, someone who is an improvement seeker, someone who can have a positive mindset, who is coachable and willing to learn. You need to be team oriented and a self-starter. Now, unfortunately, this job does not list the pay. That is always dependent not only on location, but also experience, and should be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Next up, we have the company Stipend. They are headquartered out of Vancouver, British Columbia, and they are hiring a customer success associate. Now, it does say that they're a fully remote startup. They are headquartered in Canada, but they have team members based all over the world. So it does look like they are hiring worldwide. And they are looking for someone to be proactive and a personable customer success associate to join their team. You'll act as a trusted advisor to a large portfolio of key merchants, drive solution adoption and expansion. You'll approve overall merchant satisfaction in assigned merchant accounts. You'll have to anticipate the needs of the merchants and try to be proactive in solving them. You'll collaborate with the support team, and you'll also help guide and educate the merchant utilization on self-help topics. Now, they also do not require any college degree, but they are looking for someone who has experience in customer success, account management, or some kind of a customer service role. If you have experience working with service level agreements, someone who can build strong relationships, be comfortable working in a metrics-driven environment. You have to have great written and verbal communication skills. You need to be tech-savvy and detail-oriented. Now, again, pay is not listed. However, they do provide quite a few benefits, including a $650 home office setup allowance, $650 every year for your education budget so you can continue to learn and take classes. They do have a paid parental leave, And it says they also offer a comprehensive benefit package. And last but not least, if you're looking for something part-time that has a more flexible schedule, One Forma is hiring a Milky Way Maps evaluation. Now, this is a 1099 contractor freelance role, and this is more on the lines of the same thing that Appen and Telus does. They do offer a paid orientation program that is 1 week of orientation and 1 week of production to make sure that you get trained and you know what you're doing before you take off in the production world. Now, they are hiring in all of these different countries listed: Australia, Austria, Canada, Chile, Czech Republic, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Hungary, India, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Japan, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Singapore, Sweden, Switzerland, Taiwan, the United Arab, United Kingdom, and United States. You have to be living in one of these countries for at least 5 years. They pay you to work up to 20 hours a week. Your schedule is totally flexible, so you decide when you want to work. They do also offer bonuses every now and then, but the basis of this will be evaluating the quality of the queries made by internet users when navigating through the Maps application. So you'll be pretending to be a user on the internet. You'll be pulling up the Maps application and making sure that it returns valid and accurate data, and if not, you'll give that feedback so that they can get it fixed. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.